Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to book two different rooms in Trip.com. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even the Trip.com deals for 2025. Without further ado, let's begin. Trip.com is a well-known travel platform where you can book flights, hotels, trains, car rentals, and more. It makes travel planning easier by giving you plenty of options and deals in one place. If you want to book two different rooms in the same hotel, the process is very simple. First, go to the Trip.com website. Now, click on Hotels and Homes from the top left side of the home page. Next, type and select the country or city where you want to stay. Then select the dates for your check-in and check-out. After that, choose the number of rooms, adults, and children traveling with you. Now click on Search. Here you will find a list of available hotels. Click on the hotel you like. Now check all the amenities of the hotel, such as bar and alcohol service, gym, swimming pool, table tennis, taxi service, and more. Then click on the Rooms tab. Here you will see all the room types available. Select the first room, check the charges, and click on Reserve. After reserving, go back to the Rooms section again. Now select the second room with different preferences, check the charges, and click on Reserve again. This way, you'll have two different rooms booked under the same hotel, and you can complete the booking process together at checkout. So, once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and the latest Trip.com deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.